So Cassie has asked me this question, is that her 6-month-old baby is coughing a lot, especially at night. It is very sad to see her. Yes, it is indeed sad to see babies coughing, especially at night. Okay, so it is during cough and cold, your doctor will definitely prescribe you the medications. Okay, there are certain TLC rules that you should follow. What is TLC? Tender loving care. Okay, TLC. So what is tender loving care? Keep the baby hydrated. 6-month-old baby, so maybe this baby is on exclusive breastfeeding, or maybe is just shifted with, just started on the complementary feeding. So give lot of fluids, warm fluids. Okay, keep the baby's nose clear by using nasal saline drops or nasal saline gel. Okay, if the baby is having lot of snot coming through the nose, use the mucus sucker. And I'm a great fan of this mucus sucker called Naso Buddy mucus sucker. Okay, I give it to almost all the babies who come in my clinic. Okay, so suck the mucus out, which will help them in clearing the nose and the cough too.